Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Today we have a special guest with us. So ask your friends to join fast and we are going to start this project arena. If you are new to NEEV, so you can watch our previous videos of Linux and we are doing something great for you guys. We are going to start in next 5 minutes. Till then, you can show some enthusiasm in the chat box. We are excited too. Uh, Guys, before starting this webinar, I would like to tell you that only the live participation of this webinar will get the certificates, as this is a one-day project arena only this time. So please stay till the end, and today you will get to know more about web scraping, what is it, and how to do that, and how to make that certificate. You will get the certificate in 2 to 3 days after the webinar, or after the project arena. You will get the certificate in next to 2 to 3 days. So don't miss, because we will not open the attendance again. This cause some problem with us. And in next 5 minutes we will announce that who is our mentor for today's class. I think he is also the community guy. He is the founder of a great community. He is doing several projects with several companies. He had done some great projects in their past with Python and many other languages. So I think he's an expert in this field. So I hope I am audible to all. Attendance link will be provided in between the session, Nazim. So don't care for the attendance. I think you are here for the learning purpose. So focus on learning. Attendance, if you focus on learning, you will get the attendance definitely. Attendance is not our priority. Priority is learning. We are starting in next few minutes, so guys, please show some enthusiasm. I think you all are the part of NEEV. You all have watched the earlier video of Linux and all. So if you have any doubt regarding that, so please you can ask. If you submitted, I think all of you have submitted the assignment which is given by Kshitij for the for the Linux work. I think there's no prerequisites. There's no such prerequisites. We are starting from very basic. Next 2 minutes, I will announce our mentor, and he will have a conversation with you guys. Guys, ask your friend to join fast, because this is an only one-time opportunity for all of us. Please ask your friend to join fast. You have missed the Linux class. Okay, you can do one thing. Watch the Linux class. And you can continue from Docker also. But watch the Linux class, because it will be running till the end of this month. We have more than 10 to 12 session of Linux only. Linux will set up your base. Will be able to do the project by your own. Exactly, you will able to do the project by your own. That's why we have announced as this in the part of the name Project Arena. That's the name already reflect this. Shreyas, you will able to do this. Guys, till then you can like the video and subscribe our channel. So now this is a time to announce our mentor. I hope Amit is here. Hi Amit.
Yeah, Sarthak.
I hope yes.
I'm audible.
Uh, Hello. I think Amit is the founder of a tech community named Paradox Alpha, and today he will be teaching you how to scratch. Linux assignment is on the group. He will be teaching you web scraping with the Python. So let's start with this particular topic. I hope that Amit, I'm audible to you, and
Yeah.
yeah. So let's start with this. And Amit, till then you can introduce what is Paradox Alpha and
Okay.
what we are doing in the future.
Yeah.
And we are starting in next 5 minutes, guys.
Yeah. Uh, Actually, thank you, Sarthak, first of all. So, guys, how are you? I think, hope you are all good. So, basically, my community is, as Sarthak has said, that the Paradox of a community is defined as that how you have, if you have not known about anything in the technical field, in that community you will get to know which field you want to be prefer for your future, as well as we start from the starting to the end, and we develop like the we have actually we have a collaboration with the dotQuestionmark also, so that are basically we are the technical communities. So yeah, normal thing in this community, we will teach some from the basic from like if some faculty that said that we have not used some old basically that languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but yeah, we have focused on that also. So we will develop you from the starting to the end. That's a basic thing from my side for my community, and we have also introduced you or increase your soft skills, as you all know, the soft skills is a main thing in the industry as well as in our field also. So yeah, so when it's come to the language part, basically uh, everyone knows about the standard of that. Python knows many languages, many things like multi-identity things like machine learning, etc. But yeah, what if you do not know about the how you can join with that Python with the other HTML CSS, because that thing is also important. So we are focusing on that also with the practical skills, and we join many other competitions to enhance the skills more and experience more things in the practical or real examples. So that's about my community, normal thing. So today, yeah, Sartha, can we start this one?
Yes, we can start with this, and we have 50
Okay.
participants with us, guys. Welcome
Oh,
you all.
that's good.
Now we are starting with this initiative, Project Arena. Today we are going to learn about web scraping with Python. So stay till the end, and at the end of the at the mid or at the end of the webinar, I will share you the attendance form. So please ask only the query, not about the attendance form. Thank you, everyone. Let's start, Amit.
Yeah. Uh, Thank you, Sarthak. So basically, let's start with from the beginning. Okay. So basically, what is scrapping? Can anyone know about that? What do you mean scrapping? Don't worry about that. It will take 1 hour, not big one, because we will introduce from your normal things, not a big concept of that. So can anyone tell me about what is scrapping? If anyone know, you can comment over there. Okay, we will use a manual libraries like BS4 and Beautiful Scope, Soup, other request, and other libraries also, which we will directly get. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, scrapping means extraction. Yeah, that's a good answer by, okay, Goku. Yeah, so that's everything. So basically, scrapping why use we have a two concept how we can use. Like if we place that thing in Google, let come to the Google. Okay, so let's search in the Google itself. When we use and click on the Google itself, so we can inspect any pages. Okay, we can design any pages. So how they are designed, we can check by clicking on the right hand side and that check the spec. In the spec, you got the whole code of that. Okay, so that data which are here, how we extract that thing is called as scrapping in the Python. Sarthak, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Audible. You can go. You can go with the flow. You are doing great.
Actually, maybe, yeah, chalo. So when it's come to the scrapping part, so that's a basic thing. Normally we deal with API keys. We have two things, how we extract the data. So normally when we extract the data, that's a normal and casual thing. So when it's come to the scrapping, okay, so scrapping is normal way when we extract some property from their HTML files and other things. But when it's come to API, we have a tools over there. We can say that when we extract something from other website and other apps, so we will deal with two things. One for the API, other from, you can say that a scrapping. So come to the API. API is secure for the other website. Like for example, if dotQuestionmark have a website, okay, in dotQuestionmark they have a unique thing which you want, so you will directly get API if they have API. Why they will provide you API? Google, why Google will provide you free API? If someone extracts something from the Google itself, they we say that they get fall of their data as well as leakage of data, because scrapping is like a crime, not a crime, but yeah, sometimes it's come to the end of that point, because when it's come to the your designing and correcting part, the extraction is means you are correcting every data from there. So that's a thing. The other companies will give you a API. So scrapping is the main part how you can deal with that. So like for example, I have already opened the one website of government where we have the whole data of COVID, in which we can extract everything from here. But yeah, again we see that if we extract other data from this website and this thing, it will chaos something. So uh, from the basic things, you can use the API key. But yeah, when it's come to the scrapping part, yeah, when you want some more data which you do not get from the API, you will directly collect from here. So if you are the phone user or the laptop user, that's other things. You have a Python itself in your laptop. But if you have not, then you directly go to the Colab. That's a good thing. That's a normally platform where you can, which will be given by the Google and which help you to do something easier way. I think everyone know about this thing. Okay, video quality is not clear. Sarthak?
Yes, Samit.
Yeah. I think video quality is not good. Anyone said that?
I think
Naseem.
it is good from my side. And guys, do one thing. Make it 720p. Run the video on 720p. It will be clear for you all. Now it is clear
Wait
to
a
all.
minute.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it is clear after all. Yeah. So after this, a basic thing is that when it's come to this one, you can use a normal thing, a collab. I think everyone know about that. If you do not know, collab is a normal thing which have given by the Google itself. Is a framework which connect you with the Google, and Google provide you a RAM from their side. but you want only connect with a normal thing, a connectivity with an internet with Google. So you can do anything in faster way. Like in machine learning, if you want, your laptop is not good for that. So come to the point. Let's make one file like web. Okay. Not that new. We will use new one, and that's a new one. Yep. It will take I think few seconds. Yeah. So now it look like this, and in this you will create over here. You have a name. You can change it according to you. So I will change with this with web. Okay. So let's come. Do one thing when you started this one. Click on connect over here in the right hand side. And after you connect, over here it is coming over here connected. So when it is connected, you can use this one. So in your file, which libraries we want to require in scrapping. So if you are using this thing, you want a normal thing like a beautiful soup, as well as a request and other things, libraries like notifier, etc. But yeah, when it's come to notifier, why I'm saying that notifier is not coming through the scrapping. Notify is only for the notify your image and any data which you have in your laptop. You want to execute that thing. That time it will be helping to you. Okay, so as in the this you have in your laptop, when you are using laptop, you use the pip install the library. But when it's come to the Colab, if you are using Colab, this is a new technology. If it is, then you will use the exclamation sign and pip install. I want to install requests. So when we use this, click on this, and after this, it will directly give you the response. Yeah, we have installed it, that one. Okay, and after this, if we want another file, we want another thing. Which thing? Pip install. I have already used. Say that beautiful soup. Okay, so if you do not know about that, which file they have, or which file it have in the Python itself, so you will go to the beautiful beautiful soap. Okay, search in Python, or you can directly type python.pip pypl. Okay, okay, so that's a different thing. Okay, so in this you have a beautiful soap. You can install directly with this also, or you can use normally bs4. So let's install this one first. Okay, so after this you will directly get from here. Yeah, again, what is the purpose of installing this beautiful soups? Okay, beautiful soup is like when you're extracting something. Okay, let's take a Google example. Over here there are the many files. You see that this file, the division and styling and other things. But when it's doing this one, so what is the advantage of this? Beautiful soup only extract or give you some data which you required in this one, only in this manner. So let's come to the main coding part, how you can develop that one. We have already installed this one. You can install in your PC. First of all, is for what thing you want to clear more clear, is about your this topic, or you want a screen like the revolutions of the screen or video quality.
Amit, can you stop the screen presentation and then present it again? I think.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Is it a video quality, I think, Sarthak, or something other
It's
topic
a
wise?
video quality. It's a video quality, not the topic.
Okay.
Screen.
Yeah.
And can you zoom it little bit? Zoom it little
Okay.
bit.
Not a problem. Now is it
Uh,
fine?
zoom. Yes, now it is, I think, good. Visible.
Okay.
Text is,
Okay. Text is not clear. Now I think, is it clear right now for you?
yes, it, it is
So
clear for
guys,
me.
basically we want only beautiful soap as well as request. If you are using in your PC itself, so normally you can use in Python pip install this in the command prompt itself, or when you are using, if you are using Colab, you can use this one. So it's at my preference side, you can use a Colab, because Colab is only save your data in your main field, or you can say that you're in Google Drive itself. So that's safe also. So we want only two right now, but when we proceed forward, we will introduce more libraries for that. Okay, so how you can find, actually I have already told you, directly type beautiful soup. Okay, okay, why I am not using this one? Okay, so Selenium, basically we can use for the more advanced level, but yeah, so right now we are not want that thing. We have but in Selenium is a normal framework for that, but yeah, Colab is little bit easier, as well as you can say that normal thing. So you can type anything and you get response as fast as, because your PC is not many times not giving you a good response. I think your question is clear. Yeah, your question answer is clear, I think so. Okay, so come to this one. What will we be doing right now? Beautiful soup will be helping you in many ways. Like for basically, you can say that it will help you to extract data as you want. Like you do not want the whole thing, you want only this word. So you can soup over there, giving a request, and after that, when you get the request, you directly give the data over there. So let's come to this point of view. First of all, normally we import a file, requests. Okay, we already, when we have installed request, it will show you this over here. And after that, again you import, not import, you can just from bs4 import import beautiful soup, beautiful, beautiful soup. Okay. Normally we import this file. Okay, and when importing beautiful soup, that's a simple importing installing file. But when it's come to importing time, you use bs4. Bs4 is a short name for that, where the library is founding. bs4 having many fields, you can say that we have another thing. So first of all, we will use url, not url, we can say that a url, I have given the name url. You can type here over here you anything you want, but yeah, normally I will put the name and take one website over here, like dot question mark is over here, I think. Let me check. Dot question mark. So click on the dot question mark itself, and after clicking that, copy the url of this one. Okay, when you copy this thing, you got this one, then paste it over in the inside here where the dot question mark is set. Okay, and then request. So when we request something, we request this website to give us like data which we required. So we basically do one thing we can do, and use a request dot get url over here. URL. Okay, what it will do? So let's run the code first and see the output. Okay, right now it's giving you yeah, showing everything, and after that, yeah, no error over here. So what it will do doing right now? This URL is a URL which you want, which website, which thing you want to get some data. You will directly give the URL of over here and save into the one variable. You can save a variable as you want. And after that, in the request, I have one take a one variable and giving a request. So when I am giving the request, it have give directly connect with that, not giving any error. If there is security over there, it cannot give me that such a thing. Like if you can go for the defense or any government thing, which want to be secure, at the time you directly do not get that one. So right now it's fine. We can get over there. Again, I will use a soup variable. Why I will what now I will do? I will convert it whole thing data in a particular format. So I will use a beautiful soup. Okay, beautiful soup, and then r dot content. What I want a content over there. I want the whole content. So when it's come to the content, sorry for that. When it's come to content, where I got a content, where I have requested. I have saved the variable in over here. When we request it, it come to the whole data will come over here. And in request, we want a content from there, not other things. So in content itself, when we will write this one, you can use, yeah. So what we want HTML. So this is the format of HTML dot person. So so person, yeah. Uh, okay, what it will do, it will take a request from the that website dot question mark, and after that it gets stored in the variable itself. And when we want that thing, what thing we want to extract a particular thing. So we use the beautiful soap and request that content. We want HTML parser. Okay, that's what this means. This is a normal thing where we will this is normal syntax which will we want to connect to extract some content from there. So what content? We have used the URL of this. So let's inspect this one. So in inspect, when you inspect something, you will get the whole data where the whole division are there and are not over here. What thing you want? Like if you want the number of event and days, like here, like 00000. Yeah, that's a different thing. But if you want this past event, if you want to this content, so you want to access whole page. So for this, we have used this one. We have used this the HTML parser. Okay, so let's run this code and let's check it giving you any error or not. So let's wait for this. Yeah, so it's not giving me any error. Now, what thing we want? We want from this page a text. So how we get text? So I'm using a for loop. I want the all text. For I use the I variable over here, as you know about the for loop. Guys, if you are know, that's good. But if you do not know, then comment in the comment section. I will explain that one also. Okay.
Uh,
So,
Amit,
yeah.
we are doing great. But if you can use Hindi in the between to explain in deep, so students want Hindi to from your side. If you can explain this particular concept, small concept in Hindi also. If you can summarize in Hindi. Okay.
That's the thing. Okay. Yeah. So बेसिकली मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि नॉर्मली जब हमें कोई भी पेज निकालना है, मान लो डॉट क्वेश्चन मार्क का पेज है, मुझे इसे डॉट क्वेश्चन मार्क से कुछ कंटेंट चाहिए. So how I can do? I will do one thing. Copy the URL of that and save over here in the normal variable. Normal variable I will use URL. So you can use any variable. You can use U. You can use R. Something you want. Okay. And after that, when you're requesting something, why we importing this one whole thing, the request? Because in the request itself, क्या कर रहे हैं? Normal thing कर रहे हैं. रिक्वेस्ट करनी है हमें उन पेज को, अगर ये ऑफिशियली अगर डॉट क्वेश्चन मार्क राइट नाउ अभी सिक्योर है, बट या एक होता है हाई लेवल सिक्योरिटी, if they have not used that one, that time request it give you no error. So you can do one thing, you can create a request to that URL which you have already done. क्या होगा इसमें, आपका रिक्वेस्ट गया, अगर वहां से पास ऑन आपका वैल्यू आ रही है, सो आप क्या करोगे, नॉर्मली आपको एरर नहीं मिलेगा, वो आपका सारा डाटा आ जाएगा। बट या मैंने जब क्या बोलते पूरा डाटा उठा ही लिया है, अब मुझे प्रॉपर डाटा चाहिए, नॉर्मल डाटा एंड नॉर्मल वे में। सो उसके लिए मैं इस्तेमाल करूंगा जो हमने इंस्टॉल किया है, ब्यूटीफुल सूप। ब्यूटीफुल सूप में क्या है, नॉर्मल थिंग है, ब्यूटीफुल सूप क्या करता है, आपका जो मेन पार्ट ऑफ डाटा है वो एक्सट्रैक्ट करता है। राइट नाउ मुझे जो इस यूआरएल से डाटा उठाया है मैंने, उसका कंटेंट चाहिए सिर्फ, तो मैंने सिंटैक्स लिखा इस चीज के लिए, रिक्वायर्स दैट कंटेंट, इसमें क्या होगा, ओनली कंटेंट है जो प्रॉपर वर्ड और कंटेंट्स के अंदर है। So after that, this is a normal syntax because you want HTML files. You extract everything from the HTML. Scrapping is like extracting something. Right now we want to extract only HTML thing. So yeah, for this I have already done this one. But yeah, I want more thing, more data on the, like for example, in one division we have many things. Like let me check. In the in section, yeah, dot question mark have more divisions and other things, so you can how you extract that thing with the help of loop, as I think सबको पता ही होगा loop क्या है normally. I think everyone clear with this. Okay, let me check. If you have 50-50 ratio, we will use Hindi also. Me too. Dot question mark can script. Okay. और normally dot question mark scrap मतलब dot इसका मतलब ये नहीं हुआ, not normally it's not mean that you are scrapping, you are extracting something the official data over there. Yeah, but it's a level of security which you have seen, which you have visualized over there, this website. You can extract something from there. Okay, it's give not accepted when we see the content. Sir, print the content of a soup series. Yeah, I will print this one, not a big issue. I think Sarthak.
Yes, Amit.
I think yeah, there's a language barrier over here.
No problem. We can continue in Hindi and English both. We can
Yeah,
continue in
but
Hindi.
some are saying that please speak in English.
We can continue in English, Hindi and English both. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
Guys, we want to explain you the concept in very depth. If you are comfortable in Hindi, if you are comfortable in Hindi, English, we want to understand you only. So language is not the barrier.
Okay, so normal thing, we will take one more thing in dot question mark, what we want, which type of thing we want. Right now, and with this over here, let me check what thing I want. Yeah, so right now I need only a content ID over here. We can use the normal division with the content ID because you know the ID and class. Yeah, class and basic thing. When you are using a scap CSS, it will reflect over there. So yeah, नॉर्मल थिंग है, हम ये कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ डाटा उठाएंगे और ये डाटा उठाने के बाद नॉर्मली हम क्या करेंगे, फीच करके सूप पे प्रिंट करेंगे। सो लेट मी चेक क्या क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ से कौन सा डाटा उठाना है हमें। सो अब राइट नाउ मे बी कोई भी वर्ड उठा लेते हैं, या हैकाथॉन। सो let me type over here. Right now I have typed div, so div is more, and after this normally कह सकते हैं फॉर लूप, सबको पता ही होगा आई थिंक। सो इन फॉर लूप के इसमें मैं प्रिंट इस्तेमाल कर लेता हूँ, एंड मुझे क्या चीज चाहिए, मुझे आई डॉट टेस्ट चाहिए। I will do one thing more, print okay. So as you have say that you will print the soup, In head, title, everything you are seeing over here, it print the whole data of the soup over here. सबको दिख रहा होगा बेसिकली क्या क्या चीज सूप के अंदर है, क्या इसमें पेज के अंदर इस समय है, वो डाटा इसमें दिख ही रहा है नॉर्मली. Okay, let's take one website more. I think this is clear. So why we are using the soup over here, over there. Okay, Twitter data. Ah, yeah, that's a different thing. When it comes to the Twitter data, you can use this thing also, and in deep way, you can normally. What is beautiful soup? Okay, guys, if you have question, you can ask fast. So I will answer this one, and then let's carry on for further. Okay. Actually, I do not get any error. Yeah, that's not an error. That's the paragraph which found in the itself in the page. Please read this one. Head, title, and not acceptable, and that had body, and then non accepted. That's a thing. That's not giving you error. That's I think request server is giving this thing, but yeah. Right now, let me check. But yeah, there is no error in the code itself because you are requesting something. Wait a minute. I can extract something from there. Not a big issue. Let me check. Let me use one of the websites I know, and then come to the dot question mark itself. It will come more easily to this one. Yeah, you know about the code with Harry, I think so. Yeah, and some other one. So another component. So let's do that one. Use their website to extract something. रिक्वेस्ट एंड कोड समथिंग सही है. मैंने क्या बोला था, सिर्फ ये परमिशन वेबसाइट के ऊपर है कि आप एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं नहीं कर सकते. बट या वी आर यूजिंग दैट वन एंड दे आर गिविंग अस अ रिस्पांस. Let me take their website. So actually I have used that one before, not this website, not before, but yeah, let me check. Yeah, we can extract from the other one also. That's a normal thing. Let me change, go to this website first. What is that? Yeah. So copy this whole thing. Yeah, wait a minute. I think that problem is there. I'm audible.
Yes, you are
Sarthak, am I
audible.
audible?
You are audible.
Okay.
I
So
think
I
this
think
website is
that
having delivery mistake.
no, 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 not at all. Yeah, I have used. I think so. Let me check that one first. Wait a minute. Well, your website is not giving a request over there, na? It giving us not acceptable things. There's no error, but yeah, your website is not. Let's take another website from the other websites like Google itself. I will take. Okay, so check this thing. Run this right now. Yeah. So many things you got over here. After running this code, you got everything. The every data which is in that only in that page. So you see this one. You have request that you get the whole thing. Yeah. In dot.QuestionMark, they are not accepting request, but the code is not giving any error. Is it clear to everyone? Yeah, that's mistake. I got that one. But that website is not giving the response, and that dot.QuestionMark is also not accepting the request. But yeah. Sarthak, any have they have any questions or not?
No, no, no. You can carry on. I'm watching the all the queries, please.
Okay. So when it's come to that one part, you have dot I text. Okay. So why I use the I text over there? I want only text part, but yeah, they are not printing right now. Okay. So normally I will use a normal thing which have their own file purpose. So when we are extracting something, let me check to that one. Do that one. Let me use a title, which title is over here. So it will give me a good response. So let's remove this one, then come to this part. But first come to the title part. Let me do one thing. Title. uh, Title. Okay. So where I want to get data from the title itself. So title is over here, and I will use to print this one basically. And yeah, again run this one. But let's comment this one first. Yeah, request. I want to request again. So at the time the soup is coming, they are getting the whole data, But yeah, we are using the soup. From the soup, we use the title, and title is inbuilt over there. It will directly search the title, and the title is we have a Google. Okay. So what about this? If I want to only want a text, not this title, this title one. So what I will do? I will directly use a normal thing. Yeah, let's do this thing. Copy the whole thing over right now, and is equal to e dot text. So yeah. Yeah. What the advantage of text over here? Text file give you on the text of that matter which you have selected. Actually, I have selected this one, so that time the title is giving you this responsibility over here. And if we want to find something, some tag like print tag, p tag, not a print tag, p tag or angular tag. So what we can do? Normally we do this one. So let's do a print. We want to print a soup dot find. Okay. So inside the find, what thing I want to find, I will put it over here. Let's run this code. Every p tag over there containing of p tag or a p words, you can get it from that website. It okay, none is there. It will directly give you the none. Why it's not giving you something? Why it's giving you normal thing? Because it will have no not at all anything. So let's again do this one. We have find all. If they have all data, many data over there, you can use this tag. It will extract all data of that. But yeah, right now it's, I think they have empty right now, also empty because they have not anything. Yeah, so come to the division. Let me take a division and otherwise the ID. So when it's come to the ID will show you the more exact thing. Or we can say that we can use one thing more, give the class name of particular that one. The particular thing we will find. But for the particular thing, first of all, we will check for the division and the other ID over there. So let's click on the division itself. So I will provide you over here div. So div will give you a better response. Yeah. So giving this div, run this code, and after running this code in the div itself, you will get the data of the div, all the div which required from there. If they have a whole thing, yeah, all div you will get. The div of the class, this website is here. In div itself, you have this div. There are the many lot of div over there. So I have used all, so that's why it give me the all divs over there. Is it fine, or is it? I think you. Yeah. I'm not telling you about the variable name. I am giving. I am explaining your tag names, which we have over there. Because in the variable itself you are not doing that one. Guys, is it clear to everyone or not? कुछ नहीं है, बेसिकली मैंने ऑल पार्ट लगाया तो हर डिवीजन का पार्ट दिखा दिया. अगर मैं नॉर्मली हटाकर इसको फाइंड लिख दूंगा तो जो पहला डिव मिलेगा, जो पहला डिवीजन टैग होगा आपका उस बॉडी के अंदर, वही आपको फाइंड होगा, सिर्फ ओनली सिर्फ. आफ्टर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग दिस वन, नॉर्मल थिंग है ये. फर्स्ट डिव यू विल गेट ऑन द फर्स्ट डिव ऑफ दैट. अदर डिव यू आपको नहीं दिख रहे, आपको कोई से भी डिव दिखेंगे, आपको सिर्फ उसी पॉइंट डिव के अंदर जितना डाटा है वही दिखेगा, जो फर्स्ट डिव होगा उस टेबल के अंदर. So you can change one thing more. You can copy it if you want to only text. The text thing, if you want, या आपको डिवीजन, ओनली डिवीजन जो टेक्स्ट है, आपको डिवीजन नीचे आपको टेक्स्ट चाहिए, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, नॉर्मल थिंग कर सकते हो. आप इसको एक वेरिएबल में स्टोर करना, d इज इक्वल टू दिस वन, एंड इन दिस वन क्या कर सकते हो आप नॉर्मली, अब कुछ नहीं करना है, सिंपल डॉट टेक्स्ट का इस्तेमाल करना है. डॉट टेक्स्ट आपको पूरा डाटा क्लियर आउट देगा, जितना डाटा उसके अंदर होगा वो आपको क्लियर दे देगा बिल्कुल. यू विल डायरेक्टली गेट दैट होल थिंग. Only that whole data. Yeah, only Google. You got that text, only text which they have, the Google. Okay, but if you do this one in this manner, you will directly only get a text of that, not other things. But you want the whole division, you can. Okay, come to the point, how you can extract a special division tag. Like when you are doing, when you're giving something, for example, if you are giving a color to any button and anything, at that time you will give a class over there. So at that class is a class, and ID is like a unique thing for normal division and other divisions which you have given or you have made it. So क्या करना है, नॉर्मली उसका क्लास का नाम उठाना है, एंड देन वी विल यूज दैट क्लास. सो उससे क्या होगा, हमें प्रॉपर आंसर मिलेगा. ओके, प्रॉपर डिवीजन टैग का वो डाटा मिलेगा. सो लेट्स डू दिस थिंग आल्सो, कट इट ऑफ, and yeah, normally use the hashtag. So what you will pass is over here, you will pass a normal thing. What a normal thing, you have passed your class file. So first of all, check which division I want. I want a division which have not ID. Yeah, styling. Okay, Yeah, which have a class named this. So let's copy this. What data is over here? Let me check and find that one. So paste it over here. Yeah. So what I will write here, I will write class first because I have explaining, I am checking the class. So I will use a class. So I think this. And this class, you directly give the that class name. So in the division, we have a class. We directly get the class over there, and that class will give you the particular things. You get only particular data. So yeah, make one change more. Yeah, none of the data is there for that. So because we have finding that thing only first place, which I have already get or not. So we use the all division tag because I want all tag and all tag which they have this class. They want to print the whole data of that one, not other one. Yeah, that division giving me everything that there is no data for that. In this class only they have this thing, not other things. The you have this class. Let copy again. This is the header file styling. We have not another thing. Yeah. So let me change this thing with h1. So class is there. Okay. So copy this one. I think they have no idea of that. So that's why we have not seen that thing. Now I think it's work. It will work because they have, yeah, not at all. They are there again. There's no one. We have a division. We have this division class. Copy this. Okay. Maybe it's not showing something from the data, but yeah, it will give you that thing because we have no data for this one, so we can find with the ID. Let's check the ID first. The ID name. Let's take the ID name which we have. Yeah, we have this ID. Copy this ID and give it to. Hopefully, checking this directly work and give you data. Yeah. Again, yeah, I think they have not providing the whole detail of that. We're also not providing this thing. But yeah, how you can access this thing, you can directly give the data for that and find the data which you want. But I think now many have done and secure their data, so they have given the privacy over there. So that's why it's not scrolling the data. But yeah, if you want a particular classifier name, you can do with this because they are not finding, they are not giving the request, and they are not providing us. But when you are finding something with the whole data, you can do this like this with the ID and as well as other things. When you are finding the integer value, that's a normal thing. When you are code case, so how can I say an example? Yeah. So when it's come to the text, you can use only the text file, of the of that division. When you are doing this one, you are when you are doing something like, for example, you want the same text because and integer also are text over there, so you can use a text format which we have used for this for now, which we have already used over here because it will provide you text if there's a text format. If you have a text format for that, it will provide you that data. Okay, so like this, the text, if there is a number also, you can directly get the number also. So that's a thing which you get. But right now, let's check your, let's check this data. Let's check the anchor tag. Is it any anchor tag over there or not? So when we are checking the anchor tag, it will show you the whole anchor tag which we have in that link which we have provided. So let's wait. Yeah, we got the anchor tags which we have inside that files. Yeah, but we do not want the whole thing. So what we will do one thing. We can use say that normally we can say that you can scrap with their IDs, or you can scrap that whole link by get ID of that href. Okay, so get ID, how you can do, you can do one thing, you can select this one. Okay, so let first of all check the text of that, if there's a text or not. Yeah, so dot text I will use, you can use over here also dot text, and this again. Okay, this is giving you error. Yeah, okay, it will showing you a request set object has no attribute text. Okay, so I think they have a node, there's a no text for that, they have no text of data. But yeah, let me take a variable and convert it that thing, so maybe it will work at the time. At the time it will show you that one. Have tags, you will directly get, otherwise it will show you error. Okay, so yeah, inside the for loop I can use for I in d. Okay, so for I in d we will directly contact with the data. So I dot text, take one text from there and it will show you. But yeah, maybe it's working or not. Let me ask this thing, it will provide you data or not? Can you explain, can anyone answer me, you get the data or not? Yeah, that's a thing, we cannot iterate that one. But yeah, how we can use a for loop, other things. But yeah, if it is giving you a proper data or not, my question is that. Yeah, you can use that one, you can use urlib for request also. But that a file convert, you can convert that thing into a normal way also. Yeah, so let's check data is coming or not. Yeah, we got the whole data which we have over there. So if you are providing something in a bundle of data, you can directly do one thing. You can give one variable, connect one variable, and you can iterate that thing, as other guys said, telling you that you can iterate that one. So that time the whole data will came over there. Okay, I think right now it's fine to everyone. So we have a normal thing. We have many more things, like we have a parent, we have a sibling concept. Okay, we have a sibling concept. We have more things. You can use the whole ID again and again, and then scrap data and then continue with that sibling. You can use a child concept. Children is also there. Okay, so let's do this one also. But before that, if you have any query, you can ask right now.
Cause we will share the notes on your respective WhatsApp group.
Yeah, not worry about that. I will share you a project of that, and you will continue with that. If you have any query of that, you can ask me, or you can type in the group itself. I will explain that one. But first of all, if you have any doubt regarding this whole thing, how you can extract the data, how you getting the data, how you can extract something from there, and sometimes we are not getting something, like in which where we have is ID. The concept of ID is right over there. But yeah, in the concept of ID, what you do not get, if there is the data over there, you will directly get, otherwise you do not get anything.
Sarthak, can you please also explain them about the Linux task? I think most of them are query about the Linux task also.
I think we need to write a blog or a simple article on LinkedIn. I hope you all understand how to write an article on LinkedIn, and share the link or the doc file. Uh, in the I think Kshitij, you have shared a particular Google form, na? In the particular Google form, you can share the link
Yes, I have
or
shared
the
the Google
particular
form.
particular
Also,
Google
the Google
doc
form
file.
contains all the information that you need to do. Please once open the Google form, and it has the question and what you have to do mentioned over there only.
And the doc file what we get, the best blog will be shared on our website. We are soon launching our blogging website, and I think that will be the first blog what we have from you guys. uh, yes, attendance will be there, guys. Amit, can I take 5 minutes to explain the attendance
Yeah, yeah,
process?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, okay. Attendance will be there for this session. For this session, what we are doing is you only need to write a particular summary, a short summary. Don't write it's a very good session, impressive session. Don't write this. Write that we have learned this. We have learned data scrapping. We have implemented this particular module, this particular function in the code, and we have done this part. We have learned this thing. Do not copy, do not copy any other comment, and this will be on the LinkedIn. We will share the link over here only, in this particular chat only, and in the group itself. We will share the link over here only in the YouTube live. Okay, guys. So do one thing: write a short summary what you have learned in this session, and soon we share you a form where you can you know uh, where you can take a screenshot of that particular comment and share with us through the Google form. Okay, guys, share your learning. Write a short summary or a short paragraph of a particular session, of a particular this session. Okay, guys. Any other question, any other query, if you have, you can contact me anytime, on WhatsApp or on Telegram. Amit, you can carry on with this session. If
Okay,
okay.
yeah. So, guys, you have any question regarding this, you can ask right now. So, otherwise, I will continue with that, the sibling part and the parent part. So that will help you to extract something data. Guys, I am explaining you right now for this because you will, when I am sending you on one file, one PDF file over there, you can, when you run that code, you directly get the whole data. how they are coming, how they are not coming. That thing, that a main thing. Because I think we don't cover. I think we covered that whole thing. But if there is a lacking of that, lacking of time for that, we can that cover that thing. I will send you. That's why I'm explaining you one by one the whole topic, and that error also coming over there. That's also the thing which you get directly put or get that thing. Where if you cover the error, you directly resolve that one also. So a normal thing is that. So guys, if you have any query, you can ask right
Nitish, you can write the blog on any website, and you can share to us the link of your particular blog. Kshitij, update the link part also in the blog. Okay, guys, and will be the link will be shared. We will share the link over this YouTube stream only. I think. I think Amit, you can carry on with the session. You can present your
now.
screen and carry on with the session. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
I think no doubt, no further doubts are there. Na?
Okay. Yeah. So
Yes.
let me share the screen.
And guys, thank you for your such a great response. What we are getting from NEEV. We are coming up with tomorrow there will be a biggest sessions, and tomorrow we have a session with Goldman Sachs and a VP of Shubh Loans. We have a session with Apoorv Kumar sir. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding artificial intelligence, if you have any question regarding fintech, you can comment on our LinkedIn post. We have shared on the group, and the questions will be asked by the sir by our moderator, and top 5 will get the chance to interact with sir in the live chats. Okay, guys. So if you have any doubt regarding artificial intelligence, fintech, how fintech is working, so we are good to go with it. Let's carry on with the session. How to start with collab? How
Yeah.
to start? Okay, how to start with collab? Shreyash, I will share you our one video which we have made for the data science part, so you can set up your collab over there with that particular video.
I think the video is uploaded on the YouTube channel only.
Yes, Amit, sorry for taking your much time. You can start now.
No. No. Yeah. Okay. So come to the parent and the next sibling and children part. Okay, so normal thing as normally we say that if right now I have one brothers and at that time I will say that yeah, you can give me the data, yeah, or you pass me that bottle, bro, you can pass me the bottle, yeah, like that. If we have like in the whole file we have many tables, so what you can do right now, let's extract this thing, yeah, for the this data. So let me do one thing. Let me wait a minute, guys. Okay. So yeah. So we have like right now over here in the table we have many TD and we have many TR tables over there. So the tags which we have, how you can use, like for example, you get the this tag. How you can jump to the another tag? How you can jump to because the whole tags are same. Check this one. So in this, yeah, we have TD. In TD, let's zoom it so you can get this thing easily. Yeah, wait a minute. I think it is fine. So I want to see this one. So TD tag in TR we have many TRs over there. Yeah, or when we have many TDs over here. So in TDs which we have a data. So that's a different thing. The data about the data is different thing, but when it's come to the TD, so in TD itself we have TD. So how you can jump, you can directly use the for loop. You can use if you we want only two siblings, like that up next thing we can do only sibling part. So sibling part is a the sibling tag is a normal thing for this one. How you can jump for the next one, or the next also, or you can jump the next one. Okay, come to a child. If we have a TR have a child, TD child. Okay, TD is a child of TR. So when we use the TR, we get a TR and we use the TR dot child. At that time, it will show you this one, this TD tag. Okay, so let's continue with this and explain with you an example. So when it's come to the this part, let me take a normal thing. So comment this one first. After this, okay. So yeah, in anchor tag we found all, but let's come to if they have li or not. To check whether they have li or not. So let me check this one. Okay. Yeah, li or ui they have or not. Let me check. So print, then we will continue this one. Print b. Okay. So I think again it's not, yeah, or it will give us none thing. But yeah, we have the whole data of this one. So what we can do, we only do one thing. We can extract that thing and not using the all function right now. We only find the first one. So when we find the first one, what we will get? Only the one tag of that, not more than that. So let's remove this first. Yeah, they are giving again that yeah, we got only one tag. In this we have any tag. Okay. So let's run this one. And this one, when we are doing something, when we are setting, we got only that li tag, the first li tag. Okay, so when it's come to first li tag, we have any text, if we use dot text, you will get only the text one. What text you get? That any. Okay, so that when it's come to any and we want to jump to the parent one of that, yeah, we got anytime. Okay, so let's use child text, or let's use that one in a parent. Okay, so come to parent, let's take d dot parent, use the d dot parent concept, parent. Okay, so parent, we can generate that thing also in our code, because we are extracting some data from there, but when it's come to the extension part, we do not get that thing. Yeah, you saw that you got the another one. Okay, you got the another parent, which they have a parent issue. Okay, the another text, we have a different text, the parent one, the parent class of that, which I have already told you. Yeah, let's look on that one. We can do one thing more. We can only use the text one. Okay, but yeah, right now, right here, we use yeah, parent one. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, you saw this. You got this time. You got different one. The different one thing, the different text you got, but at that time you got the normal one. This is a parent. Li, that li which vi found, they have a parent and parent again the parent. The whole parent is coming out. Dot this. You saw that one. Guys, this is clear to you? If you have any doubt for that, you can ask right now. Guys, give me a response for that. Okay, only 2 have given me yes, 3. Keep going. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. So basic. Let's continue this one. I think no have any doubts. So yeah, so parent one, like that we use the children and we use the next sibling. Next sibling means let me check next sibling. Li have another brother, so you can use that next. You can use next sibling. Okay, sibling. Okay. So let me check that next sibling one. I think it will work. The response time of this one is good. Yeah, this is giving error. Why it's giving error? Yeah, text format. Yeah, because we are using the next one, so next sibling is not giving a text because we are not created that one, that whole thing. We are not attaching that one. So let's remove that one and then print the already part. So what do we get? Because we are checking the sibling, we are not checking the text of part because we are not attaching that one. None. We have nothing. So that's why it's giving me error over there. So Li have no sibling over there. The next sibling which they have because they have parent but they have no sibling. Okay, let me check. Is it they have any child? Let me check it. This one. Children is there or not? Because children is a normal thing, a normal part. If they have a children over there, it will give you a children of that one. So let me check this one also. Yeah, they have a children, but yeah, list iterator object. But they have not given a children's text over there. Why they have giving a list iterator object over here? Guys, can anyone tell me regarding this? Guys, okay, so yeah, so let's come to this one. So where we have right now, we are expecting that yeah, they have given you a order. Yeah, that's mean they have given you the object and the address of that one. So yeah, they have a child. So that's why. So that's why we are doing this one. So basic thing is that in the this one we can access something from this side. So let me send see giving you the one code I have introduced this one. So normal thing over here I use one player concept. A player file player thing is in the library itself. A time, as you know, the request is we have BS for beautiful soap. Important time, and yeah, why we are use this I will explain you the whole thing called concept. But yeah, come to the player point of view. So let's come to the player one. What is player? Actually player is a normal thing. Not player, it is a player. Okay, players normal, we say that file of Python. We introduce this one. Normal thing, click on this, we have a file of that. Import this, we have a notification message and other things which we directly connected with your computer and give it to the data. So that's a thing. So I have used the notification. A notification means the this type of notification, it will come like this. It will come again when you want. So I have made the notify me. Okay, notify me one function over there, and notification dot notify. They have there are certain things, a title, a message we want to pass, a image you want to pass, timeout. Timeout means that which time you want to request. Yeah, again come to this function. In this function we have a request, as I already told you. This thing is a new for you, but this is a normal thing. It will show you a good GUI part, so that's a different thing. But when it's come to this one, you have a URL, and R is equal to request.get URL. Okay, that's how you extract that URL. But where you get the URL, we have passed one variable over one variable which extract the data. So I use the if name main. If you are using, as you know about the Python concept, you have known about this also. But if you are not known about that, I think Sarthak will give you that link of the Python where it will explain or anything if they have a data over there. Otherwise, I will explain you at the end. So I have used the condition. Why I use this condition is you will directly get it by when I will explain the whole code. So this is a URL which I getting get data. So I am getting data, directly getting data. I'm not requesting something. I'm directly say that you will directly give me a data over there. I do not want any URL. I directly want a get data, the whole data which is there on that time. So let's do one thing. Use this concept again in our file, and you will get what thing is different from that. So yeah, it's giving this type of thing. Yes. Yes, we're giving the other things. Again, requests are is not there. 1, 2. Yeah, we have this one. Okay. Yeah. So on this one, when we are running this one, what it will giving you. Yeah, like right now we are passing this concept. Yeah, why we are using this and why are not using. This concept is like over there. We have name get data is not defined. Why? Because we have not used this concept. The request, okay, the request and the player will have already this feature. So there we have directly get the data, and after that the get data, we have passing the function. This is a function for that, and normal thing we have created this one to URL. So normally we have written a text, normal text. So directly we call that function. Okay, guys, this is a not a in function. It's actually a normal function which we have created over here. So as you saw on this one, we have already created this one. So we directly do which we have done over here. This part, the soap and this thing, we have created the get data function itself in the that file. So if you have confusion that time, that's why I'm using this concept. So you do not have a confusion at this point of view. That's why I'm using this get data. Get data is nothing. Get data we have created over here. This function get data URL, and in URL we have passed this URL. So directly go to the over here and request the file, and the request file give you the whole written text data. So which we have already used over here. We request the data and then give it to that one. Okay, so we have used normal soup, which we have already used. Again, we have used this one. I have take one normal string conf variable. Why we are using the taking this string variable? We want to pass some data and corrected that over there. I have using for loop, right? We have already used to contain this thing. So that's and that all whole text I will get and correct it to the one variable. So that's a thing. So this is a normal thing you directly get. Why we are using is, yeah, split function. When we have a many data, collection of data, we want to extract that thing in a smaller way. So that time it will helping you. Okay, so I will send you the whole code. Yeah. So this is a normal concept, how you can scrap some data from there. You can run this code. This code will be helping you to notify you the active case as well as how much thing you want. Okay, you can change different states which you want. Like right now, I have used the Chandigarh, West Bengal, and Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand over there, so that it will notify you this only this. But yeah, when you are want something in some different state, you can add it over there, not a big issue. So we extract the whole thing only over here, and this part from here, the state from there, is the simple thing which you know about that. So that's a normal thing how you can do. So amazing thing is that notify, I use this thing to notify something, to extract the data from as we notify something over there. So that's a normal thing. So we were sending you this one. Let's end up this one, because we have normally use every concept. But yeah, listen one point. When you are extracting something, keep thinking about that. Do not extract the data from other websites, because it will help. Yeah, it will help you. But what's come over there? Okay, let me run. Let me change some code over here, because we have already done this. This actually, I have already done this concept. So let this thing run this code. I am running this code, and it will show me error. That directly it will show me error. Why? Okay. So let's run this code again. Okay. So running this code again, it will show me error. Why it's showing me error? Because the website, like for example, if I am getting some data from one website, sometimes after some month it will directly we say that it will change their structure. So when you change their structure, you would directly get some another you will be use another tags over there. You will change it that tag, because this is a scrapping time. Which data you want, you will check whether this data is there or not. So that's the thing. If you extract something and after 1 month or after few week, it will show you some like error, because the data is not there at that time. That website, they will change it the tag, they will convert it the tag, the class tags, etc. You want to search that again. So from my side, you will be use the directly API, and yeah, sometimes is also a crime. Scrapping, we say that is a crime. But yeah, if you have any of your website, if you want to create data, if you want any HTML file, if you build something like same to same a ditto, we say that a ditto one. So you can do that one. But yeah, check whether they are government sites or not. If they are government, you can not do that one. If you have a permission, then you can do, otherwise not. So Sarthak.
So thank you, Amit, for the session, and I would like to thank you, Amit and Amit Paradox Alpha, for the session today. And guys, I have shared the link in the comment section. Please follow up with that particular link. Go and comment what you have learned in this session. I think comment in the points, like what, for example, you have learned about soup module. You have learned about how to extract data. So comment over there. Don't comment like much more. You have learned this and much more. Comment. It should be a verified comment. So please, valid comment. Sorry, it should be a valid comment. So comment at least of 3 to 4 lines. And thank you for such a great support, guys. And let's end up with this session here only. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Uh,
Yeah.
uh, Done
Nested
from my
parent,
side.
you, yeah. Okay. So nested parent, yeah, you can use again the parent class. Like for example, if you have a title, if you have any division in the block, in division, if we have a parent, like in division, you have a body, and body you have more divisions like parents, which they have a like a child. So you can do nested parent also. You directly get that nested thing over there.
And
Other questions, guys?
I think all the question will be answered to the respective Telegram channel or the respective WhatsApp group. Uh, and thank you so much for the session, Amit and team Amit. And so commenting on the link will be, you will be provided. We will provide you the attendance for the particular session by commenting on this particular link.
Actually, we have NLP models deployed, so please comment the summary and not comment the things like thank you. The NLP model will not consider the comments as the attendance for this session. The NLP model will only consider the valid comments. And please do not copy anyone other comment. The NLP model will automatically reject the comments which are copied.
Thank you, everyone, and we will meet you tomorrow with a session with Apoor sir. Thank you for this session.